Right, Sunday at the shop. Dad is without apprentice, but he's got the engine
Okay,
on.
I made an engine lifting
Yeah.
apparatus here. And I loosened this because the filter, the distributor, and the fuel pump has to come off. But I didn't take it off because I don't want any dust in there.
Okay.
So I lifted this to try it, and it worked good. But the seal went on my ram, so I gotta buy a new ram tomorrow.
Okay.
Because I have to have good control.
Well, yeah, we don't want that collapsing on you when we do lift it.
And this is all I got done today. I put all the tools away again.
That's good, yeah.
And all the new bushings are in there now, drilled, and grease nipples.
Okay.
So I'm that far ahead on that part.
So this is for the blue narrow gauge
For
then.
the blue narrow
Okay,
gauge.
perfect.
So now the plan is I'll get a new cylinder, and while I'm waiting, I'll install the heater into this housing.
Okay.
Because that'll be, I can put the brake cylinder in and the heater, and then that part's done.
Okay. And the blower motor heater for that one is upstairs. How's the arm doing today?
Well, I can get that high now.
Okay, without wincing, which is
Yep.
good. So rotator cuff injury, you just got to let it heal.
And you gotta do something. You can't just slip into neutral or it's gonna be down there permanently.
Yeah. So Dad is still favoring his left arm, but he's can
No, the
raise his
left
arm.
arm is good. Right arm,
Yeah.
the main one.
So you need to order a flex plate on this
Going
one.
in tomorrow morning for a new cylinder and
Okay.
a flex plate. And I took the starter so that we know that the starter fit the teeth
Okay.
on the flex plate, because that's where the ring gear is.
Okay. So did you bust this the other day, or is it fine? Like, is it working
that?
when you fell on it?
Oh, I did, but I fixed it.
Okay,
already.
good.
I'll show you.
I trust you. I believe you.
Yeah. There's two little plastic hinges here, eh?
Yeah.
So I can't get one, so I just drilled it
Okay.
and I put a bolt in there. Just
Okay.
stuck it in. It's in tight.
Okay. I'm less worried about the welder and more worried about your shoulder.
Well,
But you said it broke the other day.
shoulder's fixed and the welder's good.
Okay. So first initial thoughts about this motor. What does it look like to you? Does it look good?
Yeah,
It looks nice.
It looks good. One thing he's gonna have to watch though, if this is completely rebuilt with everything new, keep the RPMs down. Drive it slowly for probably 20 hours or so.
Okay.
So that, because if he revs it up, everything is tight and it'll cause friction and it could ruin the engine. Eh?
Okay.
You gotta break it in
Yeah.
other words.
Okay. Okay, so that's that.
I'm gonna look up the specs for break-in, and I'll put a little note on there for.
Okay. So Dad is just taking it easy. Got a couple visitors over here, and
I just stopped.
okay, and
As soon as we get seals, then this.
yeah,
can
those
go
have been ordered. So one of the things here, guys, is I went to go order these seals, and I found them online with $66, and I managed to find. There was only 3 left in all of Canada, but then I managed to find them in the States. But the wholesaler is selling out. So if you need seals, you might want to start looking for seals for your differential.
And that's the last series of differential with the fine spline.
Okay.
That was in Chrysler setup.
Yeah, we have the part number on the previous videos here, but if you guys have got a similar type of differential with the fine spline here, it comes out of a narrow gauge, then you're seriously going to want to look for purchasing spare seals. Like I said, I found 3 in Canada, but I managed to find them in the States, but the wholesaler is selling out. Anyways, that's that for today. Just came by to quickly visit Dad. I was updating all his videos, so you guys are going to see a whole whack of new videos right away. And that's it.
And usually this happens, I think I said already, by having the wheels or the skis froze down.
Mm-hmm.
If your skis are froze down, free them up with a jack or something, or else when you park at nighttime, run your skis on one on each one with a 2x4 or a nice round log here,
Okay.
and then your skis are in there.
Good to go. So not as only is it Sunday, but it's St. Patty's Day, and Schooner's good about dressing up for St. Patty's. What a good boy. No, want this damn thing off.
No, just a minute. Put your head up.
We had this on The Apprentice the other day, but it's St. Patty's and The Apprentice is here. No, I don't want that damn thing. I'm from Cape Breton. I'm not from Ireland.
Okay, come on over here. Look up here. See this? Get me quicker, bro. Okay, sit down. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Look up here. That's a boy.
Schooner didn't like it too much, but maybe Charlie will.